Let's talk about groups and how they are organized in cross-reference. Groups within cross-reference are actually organized within a hierarchy. This allows us to understand not only how records and people belong to groups, but how groups also belong to groups. And this makes sense if you think about an organization. Groups are organized from the top down. And you have the organization as a whole, and then it's subdivided into various groups, and then underneath that, other groups are organized under other groups. And in each way, you're getting more and more specific as you drill down within the hierarchy. So here in cross-reference, what we have is something that is similar, and we try to model that here. So let's take, for example, Bible studies. If I select Bible studies, you see we have 532 records. That represents everyone in the church as a whole. When I select Bible studies, it comes down to 240 records. These are people who are involved somehow in the Bible study. And it's everybody who not only has come to a Bible study, but people who have been invited to Bible studies. And you can see these Bible studies listed out. As we go down within this group, you can see all the different Bible studies that are here. If we select upon one Bible study, you'll see the number of people both invited and people who actually attended on this study. This particular study is called John's study. If we drill down further, you can see that it's divided between those who are involved and those who have not attended. And when you drill down even further, you see that out of the 13 people who are involved, you have 2 leaders. Now, it makes sense here because the leaders are actually also involved. And those who are involved and not attended are also part of the study as a whole. And everyone within all of these studies are also part of the Bible studies as a large group. And we can use this information to interact with other groups in other areas like church services and households and outreaches and so on to get a larger picture of what's going on within the ministry. And we could show you some of that information when we get down to doing queries and summaries and some of the more interesting things we can do within cross-reference. So I hope this helps you understand how groups work within cross-reference.